Guys, welcome to Make Money with Video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money with Vidnami. Now Vidnami you can use for multiple things, as in growing your YouTube channel, but you can also use it to make money as well, and then that's what I'm going to show you today. I'm just going to put the screen a bit bigger so you don't have to see me, you can see more better. Now this is my channel and I show different ways how you can make money with video using different video apps and using on like YouTube, Facebook, Etsy, Fiverr, etc. Now, let's get into this, guys. Now, Vidnami, if you're not familiar with it, you make videos in like formats like landscape, square, vertical, and you can choose different templates like these, or you can have different like colors. You can have without boxes, yeah. So you can see you've got quite a lot of templates. You can also make presenter videos, which look the same, but it's like the person speaking with the text underneath. Then add videos where you can promote like your offers and that, sales videos, talk short like to your plumbers, medical, legal, health, dental. So you can contact local businesses and offer these as a service. So that's one way you can make money. But I wasn't going to get into that today. So you can do course training videos, you can do property videos, yeah. We're going to focus on the content videos. It's the one I use quite a lot. Now, if you look over on this channel on YouTube, there's multiple channels. I do actually show quite a few on other videos I've made. Look, they're making $491 to $7.9 thousand, yeah, each month. And if you look, they're using the same sort of videos, yeah, where it's just a bit of text on the screen and then video or image in the background. Now, another way, guys, is to use affiliate marketing. Now, this is an affiliate marketing site called ClickBank. It's one of the most popular ones. Just sign in now. When you sign in, it's free to sign up. You go to marketplace here, and then you've got all these different categories what you can make videos for. Now, health and fitness is one of the most popular ones. Yeah, you can search yourself, or you can use these sort of results by like gravity and all that. Yeah, but for instance, this one here, yeah, flat belly tonic. If you wanted to promote this and you made a sale, you make $136, yeah? And what another way you can use this is, so whatever offer you want to do, you come over to TikTok, which is very popular. I've typed in flat belly because that's what it is, isn't it? It's a flat belly thing. So come over here, type in flat belly. You can see quite a lot of people doing this. Now, if you click on one, look, this is the exact same product. I'll just show you. Click on that. I'm not going to watch the video, guys. But look, these are flat belly tonic, yeah? So we'll go back. Let's get off this. Back to that. If we click on this link here, I mean, he's only made 4 videos. It's got, sorry, guys. Phone's on one. So if you click this link here, it's an affiliate link, and it takes us to this video, there. So if we were to purchase this here, yeah, they would make a commission, and that's what's affiliate marketing. So that's another way. So come out of here, come off this. If we click on another one, pretty sure they'll be doing the same. So yeah, flat belly, that's another affiliate link. And look, they're making different kinds of videos, but these are using, as you can, these are using Vidnami. Yeah, so that's cool. That's good. Look, these are the videos. See some with boxes and that. So yeah, these are doing the exact same what I'm just telling you. I'm glad we found this one. And then another one you could do, guys, is Amazon. Come over to Amazon, pick a product. I don't know, it says I've recently viewed them. I don't remember doing that, but we'll click on it anyway. Yeah, ignore that, guys. It says that all the time. So we could take the text, yeah, come over to Vidnami. So say if we want to do that one, click that, use this video. You take the text, you paste it in there, and then it creates the video. It creates the scenes. But instead of using their scenes, you can upload your own. So what you'd do, you'd click on the photos, yeah, the images. If it lets me, might not let me. Some products let you, and then some don't. But you download, you save the image on your computer, and then upload them to Vidnami. And then you could take some of this text like that. Yeah, I'll just do a little bit for now. Copy and paste it. Come over to your Vidnami. Yeah, and then what you do, you obviously go through this. You need to leave spaces in that so it does it better. You'd click create scenes. Obviously, you spend a bit of time making it decent. It'll create your scenes for you. Doesn't take that long. And there you go, guys. There's your video. Now, what you'd do here, you'd come over to uploads, go to your images, and then you'd upload the images to know whatever products you was trying to promote. And then if you didn't like the text there, you can move it to any of these. Yeah. So there's a few things you can do. You can change the colors of the text and the background and all that. You can, once you're happy with it and once you uploaded all your images and that, you click on add voice. But guys, if you didn't want to use the Amazon products, you could just use their videos. Yeah, so you could just search for like whatever you wanted to search for. If you wanted like extra you click this one, click it, and that's how quick it changes it, guys. That's how easy it is. You click on add voice. You can either have no voice, music only. You can have a voice, different people. Yeah, show you a quick sample.
Hi, my name is Kate, and I would.
Yeah, or you can upload your own voice. Yeah. So that's how you do it, and then you'd upload these videos. Let me just type in Amazon. It's quite a lot. I mean, some of them are official Amazons. Yeah. I did look at one earlier, like this one here, Amazon deals. And if you look, he's just got clips of his of the product with a bit of text on the screen. Whereas if you could make them, but you could make them better, because with Vidnami, you could just go back to scenes. With Vidnami, you wouldn't have all that text because you just about have whatever it's on, and it'll show a proper good-looking picture rather than he's like just recorded it off his screen, hasn't he? So that's another way, guys. Now, my favorite way is with. Oh, sorry, let me just go back. With YouTube. Now, one of my channels, what I do with my sons, is about movies. Yeah, and if you look here, I use Vidnami, and look, it's had up 102,000 views, 57,000 views, 14,007. Yeah, I use these sorts of videos to help grow my channel. And I've got 11,000 subscribers so far. And if we just click on stats, it might not show us 1 minute. I have to sometimes reload the page, guys. I'm sorry about this. Yeah, you see, I'm making between 281 to 4.5 thousand a month, guys. And that's with the help of Vidnami. So, guys, if you're interested, guys, it is free. You sign up for it, free trial, and you get 14 days, guys. You can make as many videos as you want. Start your own channel on TikTok, start your own channel on like Instagram, because you can upload them there, on YouTube. You can sell videos to people, like businesses. You can go over to Facebook, message businesses, go to Google, message businesses. You can make money that way. But the ways I've just showed you, it's dead easy. You got a 14-day trial, right, guys? That's good for getting started. But if you don't want to wait, yeah, and you want to get a discount, you can get 25% off using the link below in the description, and you'll get access for it for now. And it's $35 a month. But guys, it's usually £47 $47 a month if you just sign up after the 14 days. Whereas this, you get a $35 a month, and that's set for life, guys. But you also get, like as I said, 25% off for life, saving $144 a year. You also get this Storyblocks video clips library, which is saving $468 a year. Storyblocks music tracks, which is saving $180 a year. And you also get these guys, this ultimate video traffic blueprint pack, 21 ways to find clients cheat sheet, 5-minute Facebook ad, convert your phone into a pro video camera cheat sheet, and ultimate YouTube's SEO cheat sheet. So if you're going to start your YouTube channel, you've got a cheat sheet out to, well, with tips and tricks, guys. So all this you get plus your 25% off for $35 a month, guys. Yeah, or you can get it for free, and then for 2 weeks, and then it's $47 a month, guys. Both links will be in the description. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go back to my channel. So yeah, both links will be in the description, and if you want to check out other videos of Vidnami, then I've got like proof of showing you how to make money with the money I've made. I've got can you really make money on YouTube with Vidnami? I've got lots of different ways, guys. Make money on TikTok, which I've just shown you one way. Guys, check them out, guys. And if you've not done so already, please subscribe. And I'm Jay Roberts. This is Make Money on Video with Video. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Till next time, goodbye.